Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's video, we'll teach you how to sell a product in POS with different units of measure in Invent ERP. The purpose is to give you flexibility and organization in your business. Let's begin. Head to All Apps. Then Sales. Choose Products. Then select Add. When you arrive to the creation page, start by adding a product name. Then select Stockable as a product type, followed by adding a sales price and cost. This is important note, determine what the unit of measure the product will be, and what the purchase unit will be. In this case we will purchase in tons and sell in kilograms. Let's focus on the selling in kilogram as it is the reference unit. Then select Edit. Scroll down until you reach the point of sale multi-unit of measure section, then press on Add Row. Press on Select Unit, then Create New Option. This page will appear, add a name and then choose the category. Then ensure the reference type and add the ratio to reference. In this case, 10 kilograms is larger than the reference which is 1 kilogram. Then go ahead and save. Make sure to add a price. Follow the same steps and add as many units of measure you want. Then scroll up and save. Click on All Apps. Then select Point of Sale. Start a new session. Find your product then select it. This page will appear, choose which unit you want to sell, either 10 kilograms or 20 kilograms, then proceed. Confirm the order. Complete the order by choosing a payment method. As you can see, the stock was updated. There you go, that is how to sell a product in POS with different units of measure in Invent ERP. Thank you for watching.